Hey guys, I'm Ron Alley, and of course you're seeing me again, the face of Carpe Artista and Carpe Academy, and I'm here right now with our visual art instructor, Miss Larissa Reed, and Larissa's been teaching for us for, goodness, almost 10 years now. Wow, it's amazing to think it's been that long. But she's opening up some new segments, actually, time frames in our new facility for students in visual art. And those are going to be Tuesdays in the mornings, actually, from 10 to noon, right?
Yes.
And Thursdays from 10 to noon.
Yes.
And then Tuesday afternoon from 4 to 7, actually.
O'clock.
We have
Yes.
some openings in times that you're already teaching.
Yes.
And these are semi-private instruction opportunities with instructions individually tailored for the student.
Yes.
Okay, did I say that correctly?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So these are opportunities for almost private instruction and very specific instruction in a small group setting. These classes or these teaching opportunities are with no more than 3 students in them.
Yes.
Sometimes only 2 students.
Yes.
Sometimes 1 even,
Yeah.
depending on the time frame. So
Yes.
we've got limited availability in those, and you have the opportunity actually to get your student or yourself, even adults.
Yes.
We have opportunity for adults to learn mixed media and acrylic and watercolor drawing,
Charcoal,
sculpting,
yes. Oil,
all kinds of things. So it can be tailored to the need of the student, even within that teaching time.
Yes.
So right now, also, you have the opportunity to take advantage of $50 off your first month's registration if you sign up before October 30th. I know if you've been seeing my other videos, you already know that's coming because
Yes.
we're trying to get people to take advantage of this opportunity to sign up for art instruction. We have lots of opportunity for you to learn. So go to our website, look things up, make contact with us, and we'll get you signed up.